This video I'm going to show you how to ask question in ResearchGate. This is very important. So now you are on the home page here, your profile page, and at the top you can see here questions, job or home. So you just click the questions. So when you click the questions, so there will be two options here. They ask the question answer, ask a technical question to get answer from experts, you see here, or start scientific discussion with your peers, mean your colleagues, your buddies. So there are two ways. Ask a technical question here. When you ask a technical question here, so you need to enter the question here. The question may be any kind of questions. For example, you say that at current stage, for example, at current stage, perovskite solar cell is expensive. This is very interesting question. Then silicon. You see, this is the question you ask. At current stage, perovskite solar cell is expensive, then silicon. You ask this question here. For example, you can bold it if you wish here. For example, you want to bold it, so you can bold it here, you see here. And these are other options here. We wish to keep here, other option here, also numbering here, okay, or bullet here also. So this is you need to put here a detail that because number one here, you can write here because perovskite solar cell require expensive material. You see here. And another thing is expensive equipments, tools. This is your question here. Sorry, I take the time here. This is you put the detail here. Here they mentioned that, what is your question about? I am looking for a definition interpreter. No, I have a different research related questions here. Okay, so this is the thing here, and you need to add here. Let's just add. If you want to add some file, you can add file. You just click add here. So you see your question added here. Now, very easy way. At current stage, perovskite solar cell is expensive than silicon. This is a very good question here. And the detail because perovskite require expensive material, expensive tools. So you see, this is I just shortly put here the question, but you need to write the detail here. I did not take time because of the I realized that people will bore from writing, so this is why I just put shortly here. But here you mentioned that because of the fact that perovskite needs huge equipment or expensive tools or something like that, you can put as much as detail you can wish. So this is the simple question. Now when people answer this question, you will see notification here. This is very nice, and people can start. And this is I just for video I just put and you can also promote this question, you see here, but we are not going to into that detail here. You see, this is the shortcut. This is the keywords come here from my question here. You see? So this is how you can ask question. Now all researchers of the ResearchGate will see it and they will respond accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching. And how to put the question, this is video about